Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'll be sharing with you everything you need to know about being a successful affiliate marketer. So tip number one is love what you're doing. And if you love what you're doing, you will have a lot of fun in this business and promoting the products. Otherwise, if you don't love what you're doing, you won't be able to come up with new ideas and other ways to promote the product on social media, for instance. Tip number two is learn about the product and know what you are promoting. Like, what are the good parts of the device that you are promoting, or the lipsticks that you're promoting? What is the key thing about them that stands out from your competitors? Tip number three is be consistent. When you start this business, you go at it every day and promote. Don't start this business and put one ad up or anything about this business, then just leave it and don't do anything. It won't work for you that way. You have to do it every day and promote as much as possible. Then that way you'll find success in this business. Tip number four is build your team. You'll find it really hard doing this business alone, and you can do it alone, but having a team does help. If you have a team, you have a lot more free time to relax and do what you like to do, and you will find a lot more better results that way. Also, by having a team, you can run different ideas by each other and help each other out, and it's like having a group of friends in this business, and there's no stress, no nothing. You're all helping each other, and you'll all have friends in this business. Tip number five, the final tip, is that in this company you can win success trips. So you can go from being a brand affiliate, a brand representative, and a brand ambassador, and you can keep going up and up and up, and the higher you get, you can win success trips. And they're trips that go to South Africa, Greece, and Mauritius. And they're all different every year. So for example, this year, 2021, there's a trip where you can go to Punta Cana, which is in the Caribbean. And so they're all things you can look forward to in this business. And you can set goals where you can get into a certain level so you can win these trips. And you can also pick one person to go with you, whether that be a boyfriend, family member, or friend. And that's the best thing about it. So if you want to join my team, let me know in the comments below, and let's work together and make sure we get on that trip together. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope watching this helped you what a brand affiliate does and gave you more confidence on joining this business. And also hit that subscribe button if you have not already for more videos like this, and drop me a comment below if you have any questions. But that's it from me. See you later.